Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so as you can see the title, we are going to try and trick my kids to eat vegetables. So we're gonna make this extra quick because I usually record when they're sleeping, but they're up. So the louder I am, the more they're bored. So we're gonna go right to my kitchen and we're gonna get started. So as you can see, we have our ingredients. We have spinach, pineapple, watermelon, and banana. I'm going to be using these small cups because I wanted to hide the color so it doesn't look like green and yucky looking. I really wish it was more solid, but I just picked up some cheap ones because I was trying to be, I didn't want it to be too expensive, so I bought like cheap ones. We are also going to be using coconut milk to add a good flavor. One of my friends gave me this recommendation to use coconut milk, so that's what I'm going to be using. Just to give you more information about the the baby kale mix that I'm using, it has charred baby kale and spinach. So now we are going to get started. So I have something I want y'all to try, okay? So
it's good.
I hope so. Here. You like it? Do you like it, sugar? You like it? Y'all like it?
What kind of juice is it? It's good.
Thank you. Well, I'm happy.
What kind of juice is this?
It's fruit juice. And it makes you healthy and strong. You like it? You don't like it, sugar? Okay, good.
But I don't.
You do, but you don't? Well, I'm so happy you're drinking your smoothies.
It has bananas.
Yes. Pineapples, watermelon. Yeah, you taste the water. You're so smart.
I like watermelon. It's my favorite food in the whole wide world. It's good.
Okay, well, good. So what was that?
You made the goodest stuff in the whole world.
Yes. I'm so happy you liked it, baby. Okay, so
if you want to come to our house, you can come to our house.
No, you can't. So anyway, let me know.
We're going to have a smoothie party.
Okay, wait, baby. Let me know how it works out for you and your kiddos. Hopefully they like it as much as my kids like it. It's very simple. As I said, I spent under $10 for the whole thing. If you're looking for a way for your kids to eat more vegetables, That's the way. So subscribe. And come back in the comments and let me know how you like it. Bye. Say bye. Bye.